Cardinal directions. Do you know all the cardinal directions? North, south, east, and west. The wind always blows from the west to the east in summer. Western Europe and Eastern Europe came together after the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989. They flew directly west from India. We live in Bath. Take N7 north for 2 hours to get there. North America and South America are separated by the Caribbean Plate. The USA has 5 major regions: the Northeast, the Southeast, the Midwest, the Southwest, and the West. The Earth is divided into hemispheres, North and South, East and West. Do you believe we shouldn't sleep with our head pointed north? Southeast Asia is my favorite part of Asia. It is so diverse. The 4 states of the Southwest region are Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Texas. The Northern Lights put on a big show last night. The North and South Poles are very cold and inhospitable places. Can you read a compass? Can you read a map? Do you remember all the directions? The end.